Hello, little artists! Today, we are going to draw a beautiful flower together. It's super easy and super fun.
Yay!
Grab your black marker and let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw a big circle in the middle. Nice and round. Now, let's draw 5 heart-shaped petals around the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow! Next, draw a long stem under the flower. Now, let's draw 2 leaves on the stem. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please.
Let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our color pens. Red color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Wow! Your flower looks bright, colorful, and beautiful. Awesome job today, little artists. Keep drawing and keep having fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub.
Hi, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to create something colorful and bright. Can you guess what it is? A beautiful rainbow flower. So grab your markers and let's start drawing. First, let's draw a big circle in the middle of our paper. This will be the center of our flower. Perfect. Now, we'll draw 12 petals around the circle. Go slow and steady and make your petals nice and round. Great job! Look at our lovely flower. Now that our flower is complete, let's make it pop. We'll take our black marker and carefully trace over all the lines. This will make the drawing bold and sharp. Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please. Wow, it already looks amazing, doesn't it? It's time to give our rainbow flower some beautiful colors. Grab your color pens and let's color the petals together. Repeat the colors with me. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Look at all those rainbow colors. Our flower is so colorful and fun. Wow, look at our beautiful rainbow flower. Doesn't it look awesome? You did an amazing job. If you had fun drawing with us today, don't forget to like and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more exciting art projects. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye. Hi, little artists! Are you ready to create something super cute and colorful today? We're going to draw and color a beautiful rainbow flower. Grab your markers and let's get started. First, let's draw a circle right in the middle of our paper. This will be the center of our flower. Now, let's draw 6 petals around the circle. 1, 2, 3. Keep going until we have 6. Wow! Doesn't it look awesome already? Our drawing is complete, but we're not done yet. Let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our black marker to make the artwork really pop. Look how nicely our flower is dancing on the paper. It's so lively. Now it's time to bring our rainbow flower to life with some colors. Here are our color pens. We're going to use all the colors of the rainbow. Let's start with red color for the first petal.
Please subscribe my channel. Please, please, please. Cool!
Next, orange color for the second petal.
Awesome!
Now, yellow color for the third petal.
Wow!
Green color for the fourth petal.
Cool!
Blue color for the fifth petal.
Awesome!
And finally, purple color for the last petal.
Wow!
Let's add some pink color to the center of our flower. It's so bright and cheerful. Wow! Our rainbow flower looks fantastic with all those colors. You did an amazing job today, creating such a beautiful and colorful flower. Keep practicing and don't forget to share your artwork with us. Until next time, keep coloring and keep smiling. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.